Hello, everyone. Today we're going to make Keto Chocolate Avocado Mousse, a dessert that's delicious, nutritious, and perfectly keto-friendly. Let's get started. First, let's gather the ingredients. 1 ripe avocado, soft and creamy. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. 2 to 3 teaspoons of keto-friendly sweetener like erythritol or stevia. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And finally, 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk to create a smooth texture. Now, let's get to the fun part. Step 1. Slice the avocado, scoop out the creamy flesh, and place it in a blender. Step 2. Add the cocoa powder, sweetener, vanilla extract, and almond milk. Step 3. Blend everything on high speed until the mixture is smooth and velvety. Step 4. Stop the blender, taste the mousse, and adjust the sweetness if needed. If you want a thinner consistency, add a little more almond milk. Finally, transfer the mousse into small glasses or bowls and chill it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh mint leaves or a light dusting of cocoa powder on top. And there you have it, Keto Chocolate Avocado Mousse, the perfect blend of sweet, creamy, and healthy. Enjoy every bite.